Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Some of you might know me as Food Lover Asian. You can also follow me on my Instagram under the same name, Food Lover Asian. In this video today, I would like to show you how easy to make cinnamon roll. Yes, cinnamon roll. If I can do it, you can do it too. So, hey, if you have not, please subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and also leave the comment down below. Why wait? Let's start baking. Let's go. Okay, I guess we are ready here. So these are the 4 ingredients. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. Trust me, super easy. And this lukewarm water, you want to combine 1.5 cup of hot water and 1.5 cup of the cold water together. And in the large mixing bowl, let's put all the dry ingredients first. The flour, the yeast, and the salt. And using any spoon or spatula, you just want to make sure that all the ingredients mix together. Take your time, no need to rush, because this is going to be super easy and simple. And then we want to combine the water, and let's pour the water into the bowl little by little. So you just want to make sure that everything get combined together. After that, you want to mix the dough until it is well combined together. When everything's well combined, we need to cover the bowl with a dry clean towel or just using this plastic wrap and set the dough aside to rise for at least 1 hour or until doubled in size. And make sure you want to put this bowl in a warm area. This is where the gluten formation is going to happen. And also, this is one of the trick to make sure the bread will rise big and soft inside after it bakes. It will be amazing. Trust me on this. Okay, so after 1 hour and the dough has risen, flour your hands very well. And also you want to sprinkle flour on the surface where you want to put the dough on. And also make sure that you have enough of flours all over your hand. Otherwise, it might get super sticky. I think I have enough flours in my hands right now. So I will try to gently remove the dough from this bowl. And I will try to open this plastic very careful too. Well, this way, so there's no air around the dough and it will not create any bubbles. Look at this prettiness. So nice. And then we want to place the dough gently on the surface. Make sure that we have enough flour at the bottom. On this recipe, I just want to use half of the dough, so I need to cut the dough into half and keep the other half on the side. And now the fun part begins. Yes, I'm getting all the flours around my hand so it won't be sticky. I'm just grabbing my roller here and spread around, and also I'm putting more flour around it so it won't be sticky. Trust me, it will not hurt with the dough with more flour. Actually, it will get better. So we need to roll the dough out into a large rectangle, about 1/2 inch thick, and make sure to shape it to the end and the corner also. These are the ingredients for the filling. So easy and simple. And we want to grab 12 tablespoons of butter and make sure it is in a room temperature so it'll be soft and nice. It's now time to spread the fillings. First, the melted butter needs to get spread evenly all over the dough. But please make the room about 2 inch on top, clean and clear from the butter. For the brown sugar, don't be afraid to pour them everywhere, starting from one end to the other end. If it's not enough, trust me, you want to add more of the brown sugar. It is going to be awesome. And you want to make sure that everything's covered like this. And you want to pour some cinnamon. Smells so good. Starting from one end, I need to roll up the dough into a log. No need to rush it and just taking it slow. I need to roll it as close and tight as possible. The tighter the better. Look at this, I feel like I'm making a big giant burrito. Find actually the end of the log and pinch the seam closed. Place seam side down and trim if any uneven ends. Let's get the parchment paper ready to cover the base. So using unflavored dental floss, I need to cut the log into evenly pieces, about 1.5 inches thick. Then I need to place the cinnamon roll one by one in the prepared pans. Also make sure that there is enough space in between. You don't want to overcrowd the cinnamon rolls. That's it. They are nicely done and arranged together. So now, time to put cinnamon roll to rest. Cover with a towel and let them rise in a warm place for about 30 minutes. Let's get the oven speed up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit right now. We also need 2 cups of water to heat, and we also need to put in the bottom rack in the oven. While the cinnamon rolls are baking, let's make some crazy homemade frosting. We need about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk it together. Oh, also 1 cup of powdered sugar. But you need to add the sugar gradually into the bowl and let it whisk until it's runny. Okay, it is done. Well, let's see here. Woof. Aren't they gorgeous? Pretty and beautiful. Yes, indeed. So ready. It is done and finished. So I need to let them cool for about 15 minutes before I even do anything to it. And this is the best part for me. Yes, time to drizzle the frosting all over the cinnamon roll. Using the back of the spoon or even knife, you need to use that to spread it as desired. As much as you want, as many as you want. I want it covered. Yes, covered all over the cinnamon rolls. Whoa, I cannot wait. Everyone, I have to give it a try. Look at this ooey gooey. Oh my God. Oh, the cinnamon. Oh, the sugar, the butter. Look at that. My God. The frosting, guys, to me, it's way better than Cinnabon. It's just that the cream cheese, it's so rich and so good, ooey gooey. Oh, we can just have one bite. Sticky fingers, yeah, hell yeah. One more bite. That's it, guys. Cinnamon rolls, it's done. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I really appreciate all your support. I'm gonna eat probably some of this, but unfortunately I cannot share it with you. So thank you again for watching this video until the end, and sampai jumpa lagi. Bye.